In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust font size in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and head to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right corner and choose Sign In, then securely enter your account details. Once you're signed in, click the envelope mail icon at the top right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to the upper right corner and select the gear-shaped Settings button. A quick panel opens on the right. At the bottom of that panel, click More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left side, choose Writing Email. This is where Yahoo keeps the controls for how your messages look when you compose them. In the Writing Email section, find the area labeled Default Rich Text Font. This setting defines the appearance for new emails and replies you compose in your browser. Look for the size options and pick the one you prefer. Yahoo offers clear presets like tiny, medium, large, X-large, and huge. As you click through these, you'll see a live preview update immediately so you can judge readability before you commit. Medium is a comfortable, balanced choice for most screens, while large or X-large can make text easier to read on high-resolution displays. Tiny is useful if you need to fit more content on the screen, but keep in mind it may be harder for recipients to read. A quick tip: changing this setting affects the text you compose, not the size of messages you receive from others. Also, browser zoom and operating system display scaling are different from the Yahoo Mail font size. If everything on the page looks small or large, check your browser zoom separately. On the website, changes you make here save automatically. There's no extra save button to press. If you use the Yahoo Mail mobile app, its font settings are managed within the app and don't inherit this web setting. Once you're happy with the size shown in the preview, you're all set. The next time you write an email, Yahoo Mail will apply your chosen default size, and you can still adjust formatting per message using the Compose toolbar if needed. And that's the whole process. Go to Yahoo, sign in, open Mail, head to Settings, More Settings, Writing Email, choose a size, and confirm it looks right in the preview. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable reading and writing experience in Yahoo Mail.